Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on effectively describing yourself. How will you describe yourself in job interviews or any other interview? So this video is about describing yourself. And in this video we are going to cover three different topics related to describing yourself. The first one is how to describe yourself. The second is how to communicate successfully with English speaking employers in a job interview. And at the last we have a short quiz. So let's get started. If you are using this sentence, I am passionate about my work. So to help you decide to describe yourself in an interview, let's see these examples. Every employee seeks to hire people who enjoy their work, but the word passion evokes feelings or dedication and loyalty. So this is the best word for using describing yourself, especially in jobs interviews. You should use these words. I'm passionate about my work. When someone is passionate about the work they are doing, they are naturally committed to quality and positive outcomes. Example is like, I'm passionate about my work because I love that. I have steady source of motivation that drives me to do my best. In my last job, this passion led me to challenge myself daily and learn new skills that help me to do better work. For example, I taught myself how to use a Photoshop to improve the quality of our photos and graphics. I soon became the go-to person for any design needs. And if you are using this sentence in your for describing yourself, especially in jobs, you use such kind of sentences. I'm ambitious and driven. So what does this mean? Ambitious or ambition and driver are two qualities that are essential to success and growth in many jobs. When an employer hires an ambitious candidate, they can rest assured his new hire will consistently seek ways to improve themselves and keep their eyes firmly set on their next goal. And its example is like, I am ambitious and driven. I thrive or challenge and constantly set goals for myself, so I have something to strive towards. I'm not comfortable with settling, and I'm always looking for an opportunity to do better and achieve greatness. In my previous role, I was promoted 3 times in less than 2 years. And if you are using such kind of sentence like, I am highly organized. An organized candidate is a detail-oriented candidate and someone an employer can trust to meet deadlines. Like, this quality is especially important in administrative positions, project management, and other roles that require adherence to process and quality. For example, I am highly organized. I always take notes and I use a series of tools to help myself stay on top of deadlines. I like to keep a clean workspace and create a logical filling method, so I'm always able to find that I need. I find this increases efficiency and also helps the rest of the team stay on track. In my last role, I created a new filling process that increased departmental efficiency by 25%. And if you are using this sentence, I am a people person. So what does this mean? I am a people person. Some people are naturally outgoing and conversational and quickly find ways to feel at home in groups or complete strangers. This attribute is especially helpful for professionals in customer service and sales positions. And if you are using this sentence, I am result oriented. A results oriented candidate is someone who keeps the end goal in mind and knows which resources it will take to get there. Employers knows when they hire someone who is results oriented, they will do whatever it takes to get the job done. And if you are using this sentence, I am a natural leader. So what does natural leader mean? While you can teach people in management skills, some people naturally take on the role of a leader in group settings. Employers often seek natural leaders for leadership and non-leadership. positions because they set a goal, example, and can boost them moral and can boost them team moral. Sorry. Like if you are using this sentence, I'm an excellent communicator. This is, I think, the most important. Communication is too much important whenever you want to give any interview, for any job interview. So your communication should be the best, means that should be effective. You should deliver, you should pour that like using the words, that also comes in communication. So communication, I think that's the most important part. Effective communication skills are necessary for ongoing success in almost any position and every industry, but they don't always come naturally to everyone. When a candidate can communicate well, they help ensure messages are not muddled internally or when delivering information to a customer. Words to describe your personality, these are important, that which words are such kind of words are there that describe your personality, like adventurous, balanced, courageous, creative, curious, driven, energetic, enthusiastic, and methodical, observant, orderly, perceptive, positive, risk taker, savvy, and self-aware. And words to describe how you work with others, this is also important, like attentive, collaborative, compassionate, cooperative, diplomatic, direct, empathetic, flexible, helpful, patient, respectful, responsive, sincere, supportive, tolerant. Asking friends, family, or colleagues can be a useful way to learn that words, like what words others would use to describe you. Describe yourself is not always an easy task. So it is important to ask from your friend, from your family members, that they describe you. That's also important because they have spent time with you, so they can describe you them in the most proper way. So this was all about today's, and here is a short quiz for you, that how will you describe yourself? Suppose I am an interviewer and you are sitting in front of me. So if I ask you that, how will you describe yourself? So this is your short quiz, your short assignment. Please try to write about it. Just 4 to 5 sentences you can write, or you can write more and more too, but just describe yourself, that how will you describe yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.